Hello. I'm back once again. What's good, everyone? Uh, Welcome to my channel once again. And if today is your very first time, consider liking today's video and stay to the end of this video. You'll learn more for yourself. Uh, on the 31st of July, I did a video of which I'll put the link in the description box for you to go and watch that video. I said in the video, and I was the only trader that said gold could form a new all-time high in the month of August on YouTube. So you can check none of the other traders posted anything about gold forming a new all-time high. And gold at the beginning of August started going up and down. And as you can see over here, rightly, gold has formed the new all-time high, and it's good. The new all-time high gold form was at 2,532. So as you can see over there. And now, what will gold do next? So what gold will do next is gold is either gold is either going to form another new all-time high or it will drop. So this is what I'm seeing on gold now. So as you can see, this black trend line over here, if gold is able to drop to this zone over here and is not able to break the trend line, then it means gold is going to form another all-time high. But if gold is able to break and it able to break this trend line, then it's going to drop to this green, sorry, this blue support zone over here, this green zone, this blue zone over here. As you can see, so this is what you should look out for. If gold drops to this zone and is not able to break this trend line, what you should be thinking of is looking for a buy trade. If gold is able to break this trend line over this black trend line over here, what should you do? You should be looking out for a sell trades on gold because it has broken this strong trend line over here. And let look back and count the number of times gold will hit that trend line. One, two, three, and there was a fake out over here. Four, five, as you can see over here. And the set one broke it. So it's either gold coming down to test this zone and bouncing back, or gold breaking the trend line and falling. So this is where we'll be looking at for our confirmation for the good trade. This is where we'll be looking at for our confirmation for the good trade. This black trend line will determine. And so per this analysis, I'm not in any trade now. No trading. I'm waiting for it to hit my zone before I place any trade. Uh, Thank you once again. I'll see you in my next video. So I'll be doing a video on how I made 15k in August on a new all-time high that gold form. So watch out for that video. And also don't forget, I'll put the link to the video on how I was able to predict gold being able to form the all-time high, and it did as predicted.